Welcome aboard this West Midlands Railway service.
Where have you been, man? I've been ringing you all week.
Sorry, man, I've been busy.
Yeah. You've met someone, haven't you?
No, I haven't. I've just said I've been busy.
Okay, man, chill. Well, I've met a boy, and we speak all the time. When I met him, it's like I've known him forever. And I'm meeting him again tonight.
What about work?
Sorry, man. I got it off. You're on your own.
Yeah,
but what do you think, though? Come on, what do you think?
Yeah, he actually is all right.
He's just like me. Elvis, the big...
Is anyone sitting there?
No, you can sit there.
What are you listening to?
Alex Smith. It's a song called Say Yes.
I'm in love with the world through the eyes of cold. I love Elliott Smith. Can I have one?
Yeah.
Oh. I think he's just perfectly sad. Can't listen to him too often though.
I know, right? The songs are addictively sad. Weird addictive.
I mean, I'd say so. It seems to describe Elliott as a bit of that. Oh, this is my favourite part.
Oh, wait, this is where I need to go.
Can I do them first? Elliott Smith is dying for about 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
To meet a friend. See you in a bit. Oh, you're right.
Surprised to see you, being as you weren't on the train.
Well, I thought I'd go posh today and get the bus.
So, what artist are we listening to today then?
Well, I was thinking maybe we could listen to something a bit more upbeat so this doesn't become the saddest state you've ever been on. Any suggestions?
I know the perfect song.
She's my woman of gold, and she's not very old, Well, she's my woman of gold, and she's not very old, I don't mean to be bold, but may I hold your hand? Well, she ain't no witch, and I love the way she twitch,
So, now to the big questions.
Oh no, I'm scared now.
No, seriously, now I know you're funny, I need to know this stuff.
Okay, go ahead.
What made you realise you were straight?
I remember when I was about 14, well, my brother used to watch this show, and he'd also say how good the guys looked on the show, but I didn't watch the show for that. I'd watch the girls. I feel like I've always kind of knew, but it's never been on the surface. I've pushed it down and it worked. Until I saw you. What?
Nothing, I just wasn't expecting you to give me some big romantic comedy speech like that.
Do your parents know about you?
Yeah. I've sort of never really been into girls. Like ever. I guess I just always sort of knew. They're used to it now though. How about you?
No way. I really don't think I could ever tell my brother.
You need to do it for you, Jack. When you're ready, you can't hide your whole life. You can't hide forever.
I know. John.
Hey, what have you been up to, man?
That's what I've come to talk to you about.
What's up, man?
Well, I'm straight. I'm just not into guys like you are. I went on a date with a girl and I enjoyed myself.
Come on, Jack. Don't get yourself worked up. You're still Jack. This doesn't define you. You're still one night of a brother. So tell me about this girl. What's her name? Where'd you meet her and stuff?
Well,
What a beautiful face I have found in this place that is circling all around the sun. What a beautiful dream.